Hello mga friends, today is 29th May 2026 and today is Lakota's 8th birthday and we are going to celebrate it mga friends. So I am very busy here preparing the food because the food is homemade. Yeah, I'm trying to bake the bread. I baked 2 loaves of bread yesterday, but this morning I'm going to prepare the tiramisu and also the cake for her. That is just the chocolate cake. And yung mga nasa supermarkets kasi guys na mga cakes na benta nila is super sweet. So as in para kang kumakain ng sugar. So ayaw ko nun. Hindi kasi ako nag-aasukal mga friends. If I drink coffee, kung halimbawa yung milk is like oat milk, hindi na ako naglalagay ng sugar. If I drink teas, I don't put any milk, any sugar, nothing. Just the tea. Ano pa? So, yun lang mga friends, as in hindi talaga ako nag-aasukal. Kung yung bread, it needs sugar, then I put sugar, but it's not that so sweet. As in you cannot really taste na may sugar talaga siya. So, ganun ako mga friends. Kaya, kung kung yung mga bread na, mga bread like croissant, ganun, yeah, I like it. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga nalalasahan yung talagang sugar niya. Just nice lang. Hindi kagaya sa mga cakes and pastries. Especially yung pastries na may palaman na halimbawa, anong tawag nito? Nutella inside or stuffed na croissant. And pistachios, yung cream na pistachio. Nasusuka ako mga friends pag, I'm sorry to tell you, pero pag as in super sweet, nasusuka talaga ako at hindi ko kayang lunukin. Sorry. Yes, so, yun lang mga friends. So, see you guys later. So, yun nga ang gagawin natin. Yun nga cakes, yun tiramisu and also the chocolate cake. As in kasi kinukontrol ko yung sugar niya mga friends, yung just nice lang para hindi magsawa ka agad. Tapos mga bata, they are not that so into sweet sweet pastries or sweet cakes. They are more on, they like more on salty. Yes, salty food. Ganon. Pero yung halimbawa, yung ice lowly na, yun nga, ice lowly na frozen, yun, gusto nila yun. Kasi, malamig, tapos, hindi lang gaano marami ang sugar nun. Depende kasi, meron din na super dami, pero pag piliin mo talaga, hindi, may mabibili ka talaga na hindi super sweet. Kaya, yun lang mga friends. Okay, so yung dalawang cake, and then I'm going to make bread as well, like rolls. Parang gagawa ako ng mga friend, milk bread na ang shape is like anong tawag nito? Buns. Parang ganun. Gagawa ko ng buns na pahaba, parang hotdog buns. Ganun ang style. So yun ang lagyan natin ng palaman mamaya ng cheese at saka delis. Yeah, cold cuts. Yun mga friends. And ano pa? Fruits. And then some pika-pikas like olives, some chips. Mga ganun lang mga friends. So, yeah, very simple. Tapos ilan lang naman kasi sila. 7 lang sila. Tapos kaming mga matatanda, baka mas marami pang makakain ng mga matatanda kaysa sa mga bata. Okay mga friends, so yun lang. Marami akong gagawin. But I will show you the clips every now and then. Okay, mga friends? So, see you later. Alright, mga friends. So, I have the dessert postre. Postres, it means desserts. So, itong gagawin natin, mga friends. Wait. Tiramisu. We're going to make tiramisu. And then, another one here. Itong book pala na ito, mga friends, ay regalo ng lolo ni Hailey when Hailey was 5 years old. Yes, and we are going to make this pastel blando de chocolate. It means that soft cake. Kasi ano siya, friends, it's like chewy, or how do you call this? It's like a fudge. Yeah, chocolate fudge. So this is what we are going to make, dear friends. Okay, so let's go. That's the coffee, the egg yolk and the sugar, and the fluffy egg whites. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, friends, pag gumagawa ako ng tiramisu. And also the coffee. And yung mixture ng mascarpone natin. And other things. And voila, let's start. Alright, mga friends. So, ayan na ang ating chocolate. Melting na siya. So, hello mga friends, luto na ang ating cake. So, bali 20 minutes lang siya para yung sa loob niya hindi totally dry. Kaya, ayan na mga friends, pinapalamig ko na lang. Tapos, ang susunod nating gawin mga friends ay ang hotdog buns. Yung recipe niya is hotdog buns. Pero, pwede din siyang parang croissant, mga friends. As in, really good. Dinadamihan ko kasi ng butter. I put extra butter para sa ganun. As in, super soft. Na parang milky, ganun. And, as in, so yummy. Ito na yung bread natin, mga friends. Pangalawang masa niya na yan. So, bale, ganito ang gawin natin, mga friends. Yan. As in na ang sarap, super soft, super soft. So tapos na ang party, mga friends. Ito yung mga natira nating drinks. Meron pa sa ref. Pero ito lang yung natira sa labas. And, ubos lahat. Ito lang pala ang natira, mga friends. Ito yung natira. And this. And this. Wow! At ito na rin ang itsura ko, mga friends. Very hot.